What we do here is go back.
Hello guys, welcome back to the TPJ Tech channel, and today we are going to unbox Bluetooth keyboard which is from Sako. So guys, this device is compatible with your iPad, iOS, Android devices, any device which has Bluetooth enabled. Now if you are looking for a Bluetooth keyboard under 1000 rupees, I think this is the best choice as of now. So I'll put the link for this product in the description box below. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.